So if you're a content creator or a filmmaker who always shoot content outdoor, whether in that bright sunlight, and you can't get to see what is on your monitor because sometimes the monitor screen is a little bit too dull. So this is where it comes in, where you need a monitor to capture and see things that is on your screen. We're going to take a look at this FEELWORLD FW568 Pro, and this is a 6-inch monitor. It comes with a 750 mAh battery, which can last you a good time. Also, we have a full-size HDMI cable, a strap, a micro HDMI cable, a tilting arm made by FEELWORLD, all-in key, a USB-C to USB adapter, a sun guard, and right here we have the monitor itself, which is a 6-inch with a great compact design, especially for those who want to do outdoor shoot. Taking a look at its physical features right here, guys, this has a 3-function button, as you can see on the top right here. Also, we have a menu button, we have a up and down button, a power and an exit button, as you can see. So this is just a build quality. This door is made from plastic, so the material feels quite strong, and this is how it actually looks. Looking really sleek. I love the design. I like how it's lightweight, so you can attach it to your camera without have to have the worries of worrying that it too much weight. That's what I like about this as well. Also, to the side we have a quarter thread mounting, and right here to this side. So to this side we have a HDMI in, we have a HDMI out, we have a DC in, which is 12 volt. So to the bottom right here we have a quarter thread mounting as well. We have a DC in, which is 8.4 volt. So we have a headphone jack, we have a USB type C, which is 5 volt, and that's how it's looking so far. And to the back right here we have a battery, where you can put your FEELWORLD battery onto this right here if you choose to power it that way. This door indeed is not a touch screen, so you have to use all the buttons on the top right here to navigate through the menu. So guys, this is just how it looks in on right here. Connect it up right now on my Sony ZV-E1. And this is how my quality actually looking so far. And now at 24, so I'm going to test all frames right here. 24 frames, 30 frames, 60 frames, or even up to 120 frames. So that's my display right there on my screen, as you guys can see. So what I'm working with. So once you press the menu like this, you guys can see all the menus on it right there. So we can press this right here to navigate through. Go back. So we have all the waveforms right there. Vectors, histogram, focus assist, embedded audio, zebra pattern, check field, fast color. Go back to the top. We have marker right there, grid line, safety grind, center marker, ratio marker. We have image, scan mode, aspect ratio, anamorphic, image flips, zoom mode, image freeze, and P2P. We have user right there, so we can include or allow own lot in this right here. And we have HDR, we have display adjustment, color adjustment, shortcut keys, and so forth. For the system, we have user switch, which you can put different user to use this right here. Function, which you will be embedded in this. Language, ODS option, E, DID, settings, volume, power settings, reset, and firmware. So these are all the things right there. Let me go back on the menu. Go back quite a bit. Now this right here menu can sometimes be a bit tricky if you don't know which one you're actually clicking. So we can go on all colors, all waveform, go back to all waveform, turn that on. And that's how it actually looks right there, as you guys can see. Now it did come though with a protective sun gauge right here, but the time is not very bright right now, so we are working with this as it is. So let me take off back that off. Then we can just clear out, and this is what I'm working with right here. So as you can see, if I move it from the tripod, oops, this is how it actually looks. Very lightweight right here, in which I can actually hold it in my hands. Very lightweight, and this is how I can use to just video with this right here outdoor, whether I'm on a shoot and something like that. Caught in 24 frames per second. Let you guys see it on record right now. You guys can see right there it's recording, and I can see the display on our monitors right here. Now I'm gonna test all different frame rates. So we see 24, we're getting some recording, pull focus, zoom in and zoom out right there. Okay guys, so right now I'm testing 30 frames. As you guys can see, click on record. I record in 30 frames right there. Still having display on this. The thing is though, this doesn't have any internal recording, so all of the recording right here is gonna be inside the camera and not on the monitor itself. The monitor right here is just for viewing purpose only, so please bear that in mind. So whatever frame rate I actually recording, it actually still sees the image quality on the monitor right there. I'm recording right now at 60 frames. Put just record. Let you guys see. So you get the image right there on the monitor, as you guys can see right here. And then now guys, I'm now at 120 frames, as you guys can see. I'm gonna hit and record. You guys can still see the display right there on our monitor. So I can still zoom in and zoom out. And now we are recording right there at 120 frames. Still seeing a great image display right there on the monitor, which is really great. Just a quick disclaimer though, this monitor was sent out to me by FEELWORLD, but none of the opinion of this video right here is none of their own. It's all my opinion in this video right here. So guys, this is just my testing of this FEELWORLD monitor right here. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section and I will happy to help. I'm also going to put a link of this in the description right here in this video to see the latest price of this gadget right here. So do I recommend this to a creator who want a monitor? Yes, I recommend it for a creator who want a monitor to see what is being displayed on their camera, especially if you shoot like outdoors. It's a great little compact design. One drawback though, this is not a touchscreen, but especially you can use it in the studio as well. So I prefer to use this like in the studio, where I just put my monitor and just want something big that I actually see on my camera whenever I'm recording. And also with this as well, you can't really adjust the volume level with the touchscreen capability as well, so you have to do everything by button, which sometimes can be a bit pain in terms of your on a shoot and want to go through the menu. That's one of the downfall with this right here, but nevertheless it's a great on camera monitor. You just want to set in all the layers before you shoot and make sure that everything is perfect. Once everything is perfect, it has great image quality with this right here, and you can't go wrong with choosing a monitor like this. So very great product, and hope this video was helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and always see you guys in my next video. Peace. I'm out.